Hi guys, Jonathan here. So today the idea is, don't ask me why, but I want to explain to you how to get the best out of your kit lens while I clean the dishes. So we all know that kit lenses are like average lenses, are the lenses that usually you buy with your camera and then you sell just to buy something else. Usually it's 50mm or stuff like that, and yeah, we all know this about the kit lenses. But in my opinion, some particular kit lenses, especially for the Micro Four Thirds system, are better. And at this point you could ask why. Because in general the Micro Four Thirds system is smaller and lighter than the other systems, usually. And kit lenses, in this case, are no exception. Like, for example, last week I went to Lisbon to shoot basically some pictures for this video. And in this case I used my Gx80, that is a small Micro Four Thirds camera, and 12 to 32 by Lumix, of course. And yeah, so basically I went to shoot some pictures with this combo, this very small combo. And I got some, while checking the pictures, I thought that there was a sort of pattern. So the first thing, in my opinion, is to exaggerate the wide angle. So we all know that kit lenses, usually like these 12 to 32, have a wider angle, that in this case is a 24mm equivalent full frame, and a tighter length, that is in this case the 32, that is a 64mm. So it's closer to the idea of the 24 to 70 more or less. And in my opinion, a good way to use your kit lens is exaggerating and using it at its widest focal length and getting closer to the objects. Here are some examples of me doing this. So exaggerating the proportions and using basically what a wide angle lens is famous for. So this kind of distortion, getting more elements inside one composition, and so on. A second tip for using your kit lens is on the contrary, basically using the telephoto side and getting some objects in the foreground, in the background, using that kind of separation. Not talking about bokeh, because a kit lens usually doesn't get you like a proper bokeh effect, but still get some kind of separation. You can get some elements out of focus, some elements in focus, kind of stuff. So in my opinion, taking advantage of that with tighter compositions can make your kit lens more interesting and not like average. And the third and last point that I wanted to talk about is taking advantage of the fact that usually, as I was saying at the beginning of this video, kit lenses are smaller than average. So you can get closer to people and take portraits of people just passing by, doing their things, minding their business without getting noticed. And here I have some other examples. So in my opinion, these 3 points combined all together can help you to use in a better way, in a way that gets you more results, your kit lens. And yeah, that's it. I almost finished cleaning the dishes, so all good. See you in the next one.